Every missed affiliation is a risk to your funding, your reputation, and your mission. But when your team is stretched across spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected databases, things risk falling through the cracks. Dimensions Research Security gives your team one place to review, analyze, and report, so nothing gets missed and no one's duplicating work. Define your review criteria once, then every researcher is measured against the same standard. Track reviews from first identification through to clearance. Add notes, assign review tags, and build a defensible audit trail, all as part of your normal workflow, not as an afterthought. When the audit comes, your documentation is already done. Exported reports include the full review context, notes, review parameters, and status history, so stakeholders get the complete picture without needing platform access. Dimensions Research Security, from fragmented processes to defensible outcomes. Find out more at dimensions.ai.